Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to cash out from the Binance application. For that, the process is very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing is, go to your Binance application, then go to your wallet, and here you will see your asset. So in your asset, all you have to do is to withdraw your asset. For that, the process is very easy and simple. So go to your crypto, go to the withdraw option, then go and select withdraw crypto using or withdraw fiat. So select this option. So here, all you have to do is to select the currency you want to withdraw. For example, if I want to go and withdraw my USDT, all I have to do is to tap on USDT. So here you can see that there are two different sort of options. I can send via crypto network like from one crypto to another using different sort of addresses that I can transfer my crypto from one exchange to another, and the other option is send via email or phone number or the ID. For example, if I want to send this crypto to my phone number, I can select the phone number and then type in the phone number and then select the amount that I want to transfer, and that's how I can do it. So my phone number will receive the amount, and I can withdraw that amount using different sort of bank accounts and other stuff. So that's how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.